Welcome back to our live fan channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment in the comment section. All right, today we're gonna be talking about some guy that did something at Volkswagen. So Chattanooga indictment, one of many charges for man Volkswagen owners say defrauding them. So I guess this guy tried to defraud Volkswagen. Working on a car. A North California, no California. Yeah, a California man was indicted in Chattanooga after federal prosecutors say he created a fraud scheme that allowed him to take money from Volkswagen owners under the rules that he would be repairing or selling them. The indictment says John Braggy II, also known as John Luedy, owned a business involving the restoration and sales of classic and rare Volkswagen vehicles. Wow. I don't know what to say about that, but that's just sad that so he was basically pretending that he was fixing these cars, but he really wasn't. Oh wow. Alright, if you like this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and don't be afraid to comment. Have a good one.